idiota.
Hello everyone, I have glasses on. Hello everyone and welcome back to Hats for Bats.
To keep bats warm.
My name is Josh.
And I'm J-Mac.
And we're here to tell you everything about hats. We had some really good feedback. People really loved when we talked about the different hats. I actually got lots of messages from all of you out there asking me, oh, I didn't know this about low profile. We got some subs. Do you know any people that haven't subbed?
Yeah.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, some of my friends.
I know some people too. Today, it's going to be a really quick show. I'm learning every day more about the hat world. I just watched a tutorial how I can design my own, line.
Really?
Yeah.
So how does it get approved?
Apparently you do it through New Era. And you can basically, if you use logos that are the same time period, they let you do it.
Oh.
Like this DC hat. It talks about 50 years and it says 2001 because that was the year. So you're allowed to put things on that are relevant to the hat. It showed me this site that has every team's every logo they've ever used. Make my own line because there's this whole world out there of people designing hats and the hat drops happen all the time. And I'm like, wait a second. I know how to do all of that and I love baseball logos. Why don't I just make an amazing hat line? So Hats or Bats, it's coming. Our designs are coming. Yeah, we're just going to talk about some hats. So, would you like to go first?
Yeah. I have the retro Florida Marlins hat. It's with the teal color snapback. It's pretty much just a regular New Era hat. It is high profile. And the inside is like that. You can see this Florida Marlins patch on the inside of the hat, and that's pretty much it.
The patch, is it relevant at all to this? Because I've been all
yeah.
I guess it's the same era. Now this is that color they've been bringing back this year because it's the original. Because before they were the Miami Marlins, they were the Florida Marlins. So you like it? It's good. It's one of your top hats.
Yes.
How is the? Oh, that's what I wanted to ask you about. With the snapbacks, can you tell the difference between a good made one and a bad made one, or are they all the same?
They're all the same.
They're all the same. All right, so thank you for bringing that hat. So I have a couple hats I got. I got your standard
Giants hat.
San Francisco Giants sent us out to the Jock. Beautiful, the black, their standard black and orange. I believe it takes the same color scheme from the New York Giants that they came from. So they just took the black and orange and then they made it like that. I mean, that SF is so classic. That's probably used in a million businesses in San Francisco today. Oh, this is the other thing I learned about is this is called the undervisor. This is the visor, this is the undervisor. And that makes a big deal when you're designing hats, like what color is put here. And I found out that all the regular ones should be black. So let's see, I'll take a Minnesota Twins, black. That isn't. Here's Orioles, black. City Connect, what do you think? Black. All the ones that they wear. Now, the All-Star Game one is white underneath. That's an All-Star Game. So, very interesting. That's something else I learned. Yes. The classic Mark McGwire, Jose Canseco, Oakland A hat. I have not even touched this hat. This is a low-profile, obviously, hat. You can see it has a slight curve as opposed to straight across. I always say the price sticker immediately has to come off.
Yeah.
This is the worst one. Now, the other ones is up to you. There was a time, J-Mac, when they had this whole giant sticker here with the circle in it, and you'd have to peel it a certain way so that sticker would stay on and the other one could come off. It was so ridiculous. You'll notice there are people out there that wear the things. For me, I think I'm at an age where I might be people might look and go, wait a second, that guy's a little too old to have stickers on his hat. You could probably get away with it, but it's to each their own. I don't think it's any wrong way. So I'm trying it right now with the Colorado Rockies hat. Am I pulling it off?
Can't see the top.
Can't even see the top. No, but I probably won't be taking these stickers off. I just wanted to keep them on because I'm a person, I don't like any stickers on my hat. I think it needs to be the hat. Yeah. But it's your choice on how you want to. It's part of the hat's fashion in a way. But that's why I kept these on, to talk about that. So how about that? Now I think it's time to bring in our guest.
Yeah.
Here he is, Austin.
Robin!
Welcome back to the show. Today we were going to do something different once again. You said you would like to bring a hat to the show and talk about it.
It's this one.
What is this called in the back?
Snapback.
A snapback. Here, this is the side patch, so show that. That's your
Side patch.
Okay, this is their main logo.
Main logo.
And then this is the brand. Now look at mine. See, it's New Era. Yours is 47. That's its own brand.
47.
And you're also a New Era. Why I had you bring that one is because,
You have to say.
we have, this is the authentic one that they wear. So, like, if we look at it.
But yours is fitted.
Correct. Well, obviously, that's the main thing. But if you look, the oranges are different, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Do you notice that? This one's brighter.
Oh, yeah, and like this one.
But
has
even
a
look at the
bigger
Royal
patch.
Bird orange, too.
Oh, this one's bigger
Yeah.
and this one's smaller.
Also, no side patch. You have the under visor's gray.
That's black.
And that's black. I guess this is still called an official hat because look on here, it says genuine merchandise of the MLB. Why'd you get it?
Because I love the Orioles. It's my favorite team, and it's because like they have like very good players and they're a good young team.
Jacob, is 47 not a New Era company?
I think it is.
It looks like it's its own deal. Look. So this is 47, mine says 50. New Era 5950.
I guess it's different.
Look at that. We'll have to look that up. Or comment down below if you know if 47 is its own brand. Say goodbye to all your fans and tell me I'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
This right here, Jacob, when I know this right like this. If this is at the front door,
Yeah.
you know what that means.
It's a hat.
It's a hat. This is a hat box. So when you see these, you know someone's ordering hats. The only problem is I'm noticing the people who do all these style hats, they're all high profile hats. Why is there no low profile? I might be the low profile guy. Thank you for watching. You can head over to our Instagram, which is getting very popular because I'm knowing that I'm liking that Instagram better than my own. Head over. The name is
Hats for Bats YT.
and you can check out our TikTok where we put an episode the following day. So on Fridays, we put a TikTok edited version of the show, and that is
Hats for Bats YT.
so you can watch it both ways on YouTube and then on TikTok. But we're trying to do a lot of different things. See what's catching on. If you have any suggestions for the show, please comment down below. And if you have any hat questions, please let us know. Because we are Hats for Bats.
To keep bats warm.
Bye.